everybody, this is just a quick update video to the Twisted Shifterz shift knob that I put in on the last video. A bunch of you were saying, why don't you just paint the gem nut black? I was originally going to paint it black. All I had at the moment was matte black. I did not have gloss black. I kind of wanted to do gloss black just to match everything that was going on. And I got it in the mail, so I kind of just wanted to put it on the car just to see what it would look like. So I didn't have time to actually go out and get any paint. But one of you, Muffin Monster 27, recommended just doing away with the gem nut altogether and just using Teflon tape. It's a great idea. I didn't think of that, but that's why I put these videos out, is to, number one, help you, and then also looking for your feedback on how to help me. So great recommendation. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So here's the Teflon tape on the shift knob. The main reason for the gem nut is to orient your shift knob. If you do have some type of engraving on here, just to orient it the way that you want it oriented. And also just so the shift knob doesn't rotate as you're shifting. So the Teflon tape, since mine doesn't have any design on it, I don't really care which way it's oriented. And obviously the Teflon tape will make this much more difficult to rotate once this is on there. So that's why I'm going to go with this recommendation instead of the gem nut altogether. So screw this all the way down. And then it's at the bottom. And that, I mean, yeah, it could spin if I wanted to, but just normal shifting, it won't spin on me. So thank you again, Muffin Monster 27, for the recommendation. And also, if you want to do the same thing, just want to let you know that it works. Now, one last thing before I go, my wife and I are going to the hospital tomorrow to deliver our second child. We're going to have a baby girl. So C-section is scheduled for tomorrow. My son turns 2 next month, so they're going to be within 2 years of each other, which is kind of awesome. We're super excited. A bunch of you have reached out to me on Instagram just congratulating me on that. I didn't really put that out here on YouTube. But one thing that I want to do, since I'm going to be in the hospital for at least the next 3 days, is I kind of want to do a Q&A, or as the acronym now is AMA, Ask Me Anything. So go ahead, drop any questions you have down below, and I'll have an upload maybe like Sunday night, just answering any questions that anybody has for me. Again, ask me anything. It can be related to anything. Just try not to make any political questions. So like I said, just drop those questions down below. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.